Hi guys, how are you? This is Jay Prakash Yadav here. Hope you are doing well and happy Republic Day to all. And so today we are going to learn PHP commands. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the PHP command, what is the purpose of the PHP command, and how to use PHP commands. Okay, so what is the purpose of the commands? Okay, so suppose we have a piece of code and other developers also working on that code. Okay, so you want to give information about the code to other developer, so you can't sit 24 hours with him, so you can give information in comment. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the single line comment and what is the multi-line comment. Okay, so single line comment, basically if you want to block give information about the single line piece of code, so you can put single line code. If you want to give the information about the multi-line comment, multi-line comment, so you can give the information using multi-line comment. So what is the single line comment and multi-line comment? Types of comment, PHP types of comments. Okay, so first one I already explained, single line comment, and second one is the multi-line comment. So what is the single line comment? Single line comment, you have to write PHP comment inside the PHP code. Okay, if you are going to give the information about the single line. Okay, so forward slash double forward slash, here is the comment, you can check this. So you can give single line comment like this. So this is the syntax of the single line comment. Now what is the multi-line comment? Okay, what is the multi-line comment? So you have to write for understanding purpose, you have to write multi-lines code for the understanding multi-line comment. Okay, so I have written two types of two lines of the code. Okay, so if you want to block the two lines of code, you have to use multi-line comment. So what is the syntax of the multi-line comment? You have to use forward slash for opening multi-line comment. You have to use forward slash and star. Okay, so this is the opening multi-line comment, and for closing multi-line comment, you have to use first star then backward slash. So this is the syntax of the forward slash and backward slash. Okay, now I'll explain with okay, now I am going to explain with real-time example, and I am going to execute and how to use in this concept in the code. So I have opened Sublime Text, and you can check there. First case is single line comment, and second case is the multi-line comment. So first of all, I'm going to explain the first case. So what is the first case? Single line comment. Single line comment, if you want to give information about the single line code, single line piece of code, so you can write, in my case I have written, please don't modify this code. So this information we are going to give to the developers who is working with you. So please don't modify this code, this is very critical code, so he will understand, he will not modify this code. In this case, if you want to block some piece of code using single line comment. Okay, so using single line comment, so I'll tell you, I'm going to execute first this, so you will understand it is displaying. Okay, now I'm going to refresh this, so you can check when I'm going to refresh this, Okay, I'm going to refresh. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this. If I'm going to refresh, nothing is printed. I'll tell you why. Because I didn't echo this one. Okay, I'll put echo here so you can check single line comment. And okay, you can check here. Jai Singh is displaying. After that, I want to block this piece of code. So what I will do, if I want to block this code, what I will do, I will comment this one. Okay, so which line number 3 I will comment. Okay, so I am going to comment. If I will comment and okay, if I will comment and I will execute this one, so it will not display. It means block of code commented. And so the purpose of the comment is you can block a piece of code. Now I am going to explain multi-line comment. Okay, so now I am going to explain multi-line comment. Second case, multi-line comment. Second case, multi-line comment. I am going to open this comment, and I am going to open this comment. I have opened this comment. You can check. Without comment, we can display. We can display the value of the variable. So you can check. Without comment, we can display this. If you want to block a piece of code, if you want to block multi-line piece of code, so we have to use multi-line comment. So what is the syntax of multi-line comment? Okay, I'll tell you what is the syntax of comment. What is the syntax of comment? You have to use / star. Okay, and this is opening tag, opening multi-line comment. Then for closing, backward slash and star. So this will block piece of multi-line code. So now I am going to execute, so you can understand what is the multi-line comment. Okay, now I am going to execute, so this will not display. So this is the use of, you can block multi-line code of code also using multi-line comment. And if you want to use blocks a single line piece of code, you can block. If you want to give information, okay, if you want to give information about the multi-line comment, if you want to give information about the multi-line piece of code, so you can use multi-line comment. And if you want to give information about the single line comment, a single line piece of code, so you can use a single line code. Now I am going to okay, so today we have learned single line comment and multi-line comment, types of comment. So hope you have understood. And okay, so please practice the previous tutorials also. Please watch the previous tutorial also, so you will understand better. And I have explained each and everything. So this is the all about the multi-line comment and single line comment. And next tutorial will be I am going to explain constant variable. So please don't forget to watch the next tutorial. And okay, if you want to build website and app, if you want to develop any website and app, so you can contact us on www.jaisingh.com. okay, thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe and share with your friends also, so they can learn. Thank you.